ẹ̀yin tèmi ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà gẹ́gẹ́ bí èmi Ají on point by 2 ṣe wà lénìí. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wo àwọn videos wọ̀nyí, àwọn mistakes tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní hospital. Mi ò sọ pé gbogbo hospital o, but ẹ listen sí wọn, àwọn mistakes, common mistakes lọ́spítà. Wọ́n sọ fún àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀, wọ́n ní wọ́n ní cancer. Ẹ lọ sí cancer center ní àwọn general hospital. Ẹ rí báwo èèyàn ṣe pọ̀. Nígbà tí wọ́n sọ fún ẹ pé o ní cancer, ǹjẹ́ o tún lọ síbòmíì kó lọ check rẹ̀? Ṣé o ti lọ síbòmíì o ti lọ check rẹ̀? Mo ní fídíò méjì tí wọ́n ní arábìnrin wọ̀nyẹn, àwọn arábìnrin yẹn wọ́n ní cancer, wọn ò dẹ̀ ní cancer. In fact, ìkan nínú wọn ti gbé ọyàn rẹ̀ jáde, kò sì ní cancer. Wọ́n ti diagnose pé o ní sickness kan. Ǹjẹ́ o ti lọ síbòmíì o ti lọ check ẹ̀? Wọ́n ti diagnose pé o ní sickness kan. Ìwọ ṣáà ṣe sùúrù kó mọ wo sickness yẹn wò ná, kó mọ wò ná. Àbí lóòótọ́ ni àbí irọ́. Má dẹ̀ gba oògùn kankan. Tó bá fún ẹ lóògùn kankan, má tètè máa lò ó, because effect àwọn oògùn yẹn náà wèrè ni. Effect àwọn oògùn yẹn wàláhì ó lè ṣe é bí ẹni pé o ní sickness yẹn. Àwọn sickness kékèké sì kọ́, àwọn sickness ńláńlá. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ wo center àwọn cancer. Kìí ṣe gbogbo ọmú ṣe tingling, ọmú yún ẹ, ọmú change colour, òun náà ní cancer. Kìí ṣe gbogbo lumps òun ní cancer. Ẹ tún lọ check ní hospital mi. Tẹ́ bá wá rí pé ẹ tiẹ̀ ní orí hospital mi, like ṣáà ní sùúrù, ó nírú symptoms tí wàá máa rí. Bákan náà, ìyẹn ò ní kó mọ́ ẹ para rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn oríṣiríṣi apps. It's going a long way. Bí wọ́n ṣe ń fọwọ́ bo àwọn apps yẹn sì ń gòkè. Bá a ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ apps nísìnyí báyìí, wọn ò bí wá dá ká sọ̀rọ̀ apps tẹ́lẹ̀. Ní tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn ò bí wá dá. Torí àwọn tó ń rí jẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Àwọn tó máa kó chọ́ọ̀kì fún yín tó jẹ́ pé kò lọ síbì kankan. Kí ni essence fídíò yìí? Ẹ bá mi wo àwọn mistakes wọn púpọ̀. Kí ni essence fídíò yìí? Òun ni pé wọ́n ti ní o ní sickness kan. O ti fẹ́ kú pẹ̀lú ìrònú. Ó tiẹ̀ ti gba oògùn lọ́wọ́ wọn, oògùn yẹn gan fún ẹ ní side effect. Ṣé o ti lọ sí hospital bíi 4 bíi 6 kó lọ recheck? Ṣé o ti lọ? A ti go through so many things, a ti rí so many examples tó jẹ́ wípé àwa èèyàn a gbọ́dọ̀ gọ̀ mọ́. Tó mo wá pàlì wọn bá jáde, ẹ rí wò nísìn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn obìnrin tí mo showcase pé wọ́n ti yọ ọmú yẹn yìí, ó bá fún mi, ó sì bà mí nínú jẹ́ pé kí ló dé náà. Like even before now, kò ṣe é sọ ti ṣe díẹ̀. Wọ́n diagnose arákùnrin yẹn, wọ́n sọ pé ó ní HIV/AIDS. So luckily fún, ó kàn ní kó tó lọ check níbòmí ni. I'm telling you, negative ni. Assuming ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lo àwọn oògùn retrovirals yẹn. Effect retroviral drugs yẹn gan ó máa kó bá. The same thing náà pẹ̀lú àwọn cancer àtàwọn oògùn oríṣiríṣi, àwọn sickness oríṣiríṣi. Tó ń bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ti lo, tó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún wọn ní chemotherapy. Ṣé chemotherapy effect yẹn gan kò ní sọ wọ́n dèèyàn tó ní cancer? Ẹ bèrè kẹ́ tó rọ́ọ̀lù o. Ẹ confirm so many places. In fact, confirm ní 10 hospitals, kò sí tó burú jù tó náà bá fún ẹ lórí ọ̀fẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ o. Nǹkan púpọ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ẹ bá mi wo fídíò yẹn. Then ẹ wo past videos mi láti mọ nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe gangan. So ẹ follow me for more for my real videos.
This was how I was wrongly diagnosed of cancer. Stage 3 cancer. Stage 3. Look at my hair. It's not even grown yet. It's not growing. Look at this head. I didn't dye it at all. This was from a reputable Nigerian hospital. I have filed my lawsuits. I've sued them. I will give you guys details of everything that has happened so far. It's crazy that a doctor will do this to me. They damaged me, they finished me. Just this one now, I didn't dye this hair. This is just see my scalp is even burnt already. So this is what Nigerian hospital can do to you. I will drag them. I'm waiting for the court hearing. They are saying we should settle out of court, but I don't even want to settle out of court. I want us to go to court. Do you understand? So I'm going to be dropping every stories of everything that happened, and I want you guys to let me tag VDA to this. Tag the name. I will mention the name of this hospital. I will drag them. I will drag the living daylight out of them. Using students. They are using students. Gave me chemotherapy that is very harsh. What saved me was that I came back to Lagos. That was what saved me. I'm dropping stories, guys. Please follow.
I never see this type for my life before. I just from inside hospital and I go for antenatal. When the doctor say, maybe no man, I don't be today at the born. I don't want to get. Say maybe make I raise my clothes up, make you examine me. No man, I raise clothes up, make you examine me. The next thing why I bring out your 2 breasts. Which one will bring out your 2 breasts inside examination of pregnancy again? Set and 1 new doctors. Now I tell the guys I don't understand. I should bring out my 2 breasts. How? Why? The way I take even look and ask him say I don't understand. I ain't say he can't change my. I say, but you're not feeling any pains. I say I'm not feeling any pains there. And I say okay. Because I carry nose marks like this. The next thing wey Baba go talk na, he don finish o. Because make me comot my nose mask. He wan see my face. Now I say why? See my face. Say he wan see when they talk. I say nothing. No. Try to remove the. He wan bring hand. Come. I no follow am. I say leave the nose mask. Say please leave the nose mask. I still wear my nose mask. Say leave the. Say he wan know who they talk to. I say leave the nose mask. I don't understand. When doctors start to examine breast, when no be cancer, I tell you say they can't check or they can't check columns. Pregnancy, to examine pregnancy, the next thing I bring out your breast. Oh, I beg. All this one, shower on the employees and doctors, I beg.
Her baby was swapped at childbirth. So this lady came out saying that her baby was swapped and a dead baby was given to her. She said at the hospital, she went into labor around 3 a.m. and by 4:30 a.m. she had already delivered a baby. And she said she passed out because she was so exhausted. She passed out. When she woke up by 6 a.m., she found that her baby was unalive. You don't cry. So she was telling the nurse, how comes her baby has unalive? She said earlier, the nurse told her that her baby is a baby boy. So why is she now having a baby girl and an unalive baby for that matter? According to her, her husband was sent out to get baby things and bathtub just for them to swap the child. And that they later did a test, that maybe a DNA test. She said they run a test just to discover that the child is not even related to them. And she is saying that the hospital must be charged for negligence and whatever. Now, the question here is, you're going to deliver a baby in a hospital, only you and your husband. What happened to your mom? What happened to his mom? Let's assume they are not in the picture. Your siblings, let's assume they are not in the picture. Your friends, your church members or mosque members. As in, you don't have anyone to go to the hospital with, only 2 of you. And they now send your husband. He now left you alone with the baby while you were sleeping. Well done. If you know the rate at which swapping is going on in the hospitals today, you'll be extremely vigilant. Yes, you go wear sense. You don't go allow them to do that kind of thing to you. Nobody is blaming her here, but the hospital has to take responsibility. I will not call the name of the hospital. I will not say where this thing happened because the hospital is yet to make any statement regarding this story. Have you experienced similar issue before? You wake up to find an unalive baby by your side, saying it's your baby. More things they suck. What do you think about this story? Who is to blame?
So èyí tẹ́ ń wò lọ́wọ́ ńsìn, àwọn doctor whichever hospital tó lọ, òun ni wọ́n sọ fún pé ó ní cancer ọyàn. Bí mo ṣe sọ síwájú, mi ò lo voice ẹ̀ nítorí wọ́n fi soundtrack sí. And soundtrack yẹn tí mo bá play like wọ́n strike video yìí, mo wá ní kí n lo voice ti tèmi. Nísìn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún ní chemo, wọ́n tiẹ̀ yọ yẹn. Ó dúró báyìí ńsìn, ó lóun fẹ́ justice. At the end of the day, torí ó find out níbò míì pé she never had cancer. She never had cancer. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, bó ṣe ń lọ nìyẹn. Ṣé ìwọ tó ń gbọ́ mi ńsìn tí wọ́n sọ wípé o ní cancer àbí o ní sickness kan, ṣé ò ní tètè dìde kó lọ bèrè níbò míì? Ẹ wàá wo story tí wọ́n ní wọ́n swap ọmọ yẹn. Ẹ lajú yín, ẹ bá ń lọ sí hospital, ẹ má lọ lẹ́yìn nìkan. Ẹ lajú yín, ẹ béèrè question. Ẹ máa béèrè question. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ fẹ́ bímọ, èèyàn fẹ́ bímọ. Wọ́n ní kó lọ mú nǹkan míì wá. Wàá rẹ́ lòmíì, ìwọ mọ̀ kúrò ń bẹ̀. Nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀, nǹkan stop. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká jìn sínú ọ̀fìn ayé. Ó ní mo fi mú fídíò yìí wá. Fídíò yìí pass ẹ̀ sáwọn èèyàn. Ẹ liberate ara yín, set yourself free. Pass this information round. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ o, even worse. Àwọn èyí tí mo lè mú wá fún yín just to create an awareness. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ. Ẹ wo past videos mi and keep in view for more and more. Bye for now.